Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to add a menu bar on Wix. So on the left side you have this option which is saying add elements. Below that you have add sections, pages, menus. So since we want to add a menu, we are going to be heading over to this particular section, and then you can see we have our different type of menus showing up in here. So whatsoever you would like to incorporate, you can do that. Let's just say you have sign up and login, or we have store pages. If you want to add that, you can easily incorporate that here. So you can see you can add a section, and in that section you can drag and drop your different stuff. So since you want to incorporate a menu, you're going to be needing to add simply click on this product page and just hold on a bit. You can see this is the product that is now added, and similarly you can add different type of menus and other options here as well. So if you want to learn more, you can subscribe to our channel.